Hi there. Now, I haven't been putting content on YouTube for a while, all my subscribers. It's been a summer of presenting the show Absent Authors at APT in London, and then that was fastly followed by me preparing for a solo show in Nuneaton. Now, I strongly feel that rather than just trying to tease the algorithm and keep it happy, I'd rather post content that's worthwhile. That takes a bit of time, and I'm afraid that time has been all pointing towards preparing for a solo exhibition. I hope you can understand that. As a little thank you, I've produced, for those of you who are into making yourselves in whatever capacity, a short PDF which you can download in the links below. It talks about 5 different ways that you can help your own development, your own practice, when you're trying to be creative and you maybe don't have the experience or the framework of people around you that can support you. These are some signposts that may help you in the right direction. I am going to be posting more medium-specific content on this channel around printmaking, around various studio tips and so on, but I ask you to be patient and just understand that if I'm not here, if I'm not posting content, it's because I only want to post stuff that really does give you something. Bear with me. If you'd like to know what I'm up to and why I'm not on YouTube all the time, subscribe to my newsletter. The link is in the description below as well. And that's it for now. This is a brief lo-fi hello, and there's no catch. Download the PDF. I hope it helps you. I've got limited time to answer queries, but if you're really struggling with something, then do get in touch and ask. In the background here, this is my second studio that I sometimes mention on Instagram and so on, but very rarely talk from. In fact, I think this is the first time I've done so. Anyway, I'm waffling. I'm going to get back to work, and I hope you enjoy the PDF, and please bear with me. Thank you. Bye.